Hello students, today we are going to see a dihybrid cross. The cross in which two pairs of characters are studied is called dihybrid cross. We are going to study two pairs of characters. In his second experiment, Mendel used dihybrid cross. In the dihybrid crosses, it was found that two traits were inherited independent of each other. The dominant alleles for each of the two traits asserted their dominance independent of the other. For example, round seeds, capital R, are dominant to wrinkled seeds, small r. And yellow seeds, capital Y, are dominant to green seeds, small y. Following the convention for the notation, there would be capital R, capital Y for round and yellow, and small y for wrinkled green. Color and shape of pea plant. So color, capital Y is the allele for yellow seeds, and small y is the allele for green seeds. Shape, capital R allele for round seeds, small r are allele for wrinkled seeds. The plants with yellow and round seeds, that is the pure one, were crossed with those having green and wrinkled seeds. In the parental cross, that is P1 cross, that is capital R, capital Y is crossed with small r and small y. All of the F1 offspring showed only the dominant for both traits. All hybrids were capital R, capital Y and small y. Then the F1 seeds were yellow and round. Look at the diagram. Round and yellow seeds, capital R and capital Y is crossed over with small y. During the F1 generation, what is the result? All were round and yellow, capital R and small r, capital Y and small y. Clear? When these F1 seeds were grown into plants and crossed, in the F2 seeds were obtained. In the F2 generation, F2 seeds were obtained which showed all the four possible combination, that is yellow and round seeds, capital Y, capital R, small r. Yellow and wrinkled seeds, capital Y, small r, small r. Green and round seeds, small y, capital R, small r. And green and wrinkled seeds, small y, small r, small r. Of these 305 seeds were round and yellow, 108 were round and green, 101 were wrinkled and yellow, and 32 were wrinkled and green. Hence, the phenotype ratio was about 9:3:3:1 ratio. So the parents were capital R, capital Y is crossed with small y. This is the parent. Round seeds with yellow cotyledons and wrinkled seeds with green cotyledons. So the gametes in the F1 generation were all round seeds and yellow cotyledons. F1 generation allowed to self-pollinate. Clear? In the F2 generation, we got round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow and wrinkled green. Clear? After forming a ratio of 9:3:3:1. From this dihybrid, cross, we know that there are 4 different phenotypes, but these are produced by 9 different genotypes. The conclusion of dihybrid cross is that 2 or more pairs of alleles segregate independently of each other as a result of meiosis. This is known as Mendel's second law of independent assortment. Once again, consider a cross of pea plant having round and yellow seeds and the plant with wrinkled and green seeds. In this, 2 pairs of characters involved are seed shape and seed color. The letter capital R is used to denote round shaped seeds, that is capital R, and capital Y and capital Y. And capital Y to denote yellow colored seeds. The 2 parents are then crossed. Capital R, and capital Y crossed with small r, small y and small y. When the gametes of the parent P1 generation are formed, each pair of alleles segregate independently of the other. Hence, during gamete formation, capital R, capital Y plants produce capital R, capital Y. Similarly, other parent small r, small y produce the gametes small r, small y. Mendel observed the phenotypically, the F1 plants were with round yellow seeds. The genotype of the F1 hybrid was capital R, small r, capital Y and small y. The genotype shows that R, which is dominant over capital R, which is dominant over small r, with respect to seed shape, and result in round seeds. The genotype also contains Y, which is dominant over, that is capital Y, which is dominant over small y, with respect to the seed color, and result in yellow colored seeds. All F1 plants are called dihybrids, as they have 2 sets of contrasting characters, and they have genotype capital R, small r, capital Y and small y. The F1 plants produce 4 types of gametes: capital R, capital Y, small r, small y, small r, capital Y, capital R, small y during gamete formation. When F1 plants are self-pollinated, they produce new generation of plants known as F2 or second filial generation. The 4 types of male gametes and 4 types of female gametes produced in all the 16 mating contribution. The 16 different types of F2 individuals can be easily represented with the help of a Punnett square that is given in this diagram. Look at the diagram. That is the Punnett square crossing over. The eggs and sperm will be crossed, and at last they'll be getting this kind of pattern. F2 generation obtained the self-pollination of F1 plants, exhibit 16 plants with different genotypes. Out of total of 16 plants, 9 plants are with round and yellow seeds, that is capital R, capital Y. 3 are with wrinkled and yellow seeds, small r, capital Y. And 3 are with round and green seeds, capital R, small y. And 1 is with wrinkled and green seed, that is small r, small y, small y. Thus, the phenotypic ratio of F2 plant is 9:3:3:1.